I'm gonna be on a Flappy Bird grind. Let's do this. No, what? Alright. We gotta do this again. I got a red bird. I swear to God, sometimes, bro. No! Okay, we got a bigger score now. And we finally got past that gruesome second pipe. Ooh, Flappy Bird. What an impressive game. Alright, here we go. GG. Get it? No. Alright, let's do this. We're doing good, so. How did I do that? I'm clutching up so hard right now, bro. I'm actually clutching. Okay, let's do this again. Here we go. Swear to God! Time to solo. These frame perfect timings are like, bruh, these are like Geometry Dash Extreme Demons, bruh. Like Tidal Wave, bruh. This be like Amethyst and Thinking Space too. Bruh, like, I don't know why Tidal Wave got dethroned. Well, it should be still in second place, not third. Because Thinking Space 2 is not harder than Tidal Wave. Personal opinion, that's all. I play on 340 hertz, and I only have like a couple extremes. Not even like, I only have a couple. Like 2, I think. All the rest are, like, I have one insane because nobody cares about insanes. And, I have a lot of easies and mediums. I'm still working on verifying skeletal shenanigans because I started a couple days ago. But please, get higher, run it up. Come on, run it up. I'll see you all later, bruh.